party was pumping, and everybody having a ball, until the fellas started name calling, and the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out,
Who let the dogs out?